Last one was Ben. Last one was Ben.
Hey, do you see this dude right here?
Oh my god, I'm boasting.
I need to not pick up my
Behind us.
phone. I'll go straight to airplane mode. Find something to do. I know I can be a little bit cold. My third eye is going blind. I'm on a line with my body and mind. It's playing tricks. I say I'm fine, but really it's hurting me deep inside. Cause I've been dreaming about you. Ooh, I've been wishing that I was
That's
next
what's
to
happened.
you. I've been dreaming of
Phil, help me.
There's one flanking.
And he just dinked me through the smoke.
I've been thinking that this
And my guy out there.
He's in that smoke.
Hello.
Mashallah, they're not even Gary!
Zero.
You got
So far away and out of view. But 23 seems like me and you. Cause I've been dreaming about you.
Oh my!
I've been wishing I was next to you. Ooh, I've been dreaming of us.
Nice.
Two shot.
That's too shallow, right?
Close. Sorry, that's just how I play this stupid game. I can't act like a child in this game. All that you want from me and that you say, I'm sorry, baby. Please, puppy, I'm trying to be ultra mega happy and show you my smile and see my feelings. And fuck, it is so hard being so damn far. I guess I'll just stay singing in my car.
Nice first round, bro.
Stay singing in the car. I've been dreaming about you.
He's jumping in.
Ooh, I've been wishing I was next to you. Ooh,
To mid doors.
I've been thinking this is not a need or a must, but I've been waiting on you. Ooh, I've been waiting for you to tell me those 3 words too. Cause I've been hoping it's true. Ooh, that one day I feel like
Oh my lord.